Hello owls and owlettes, welcome back to the garage. The latest project we're working on is the Jeep TJ, and it's an LS conversion. Originally we bought this Jeep and put a Genrite tank in, and in that tank it was designed only for the stock pump. And the top part of the pump was a different size than the 2004 and newer, which would actually accept the Aeromotive Phantom. Being an LS engine, I'm needing to get 58 PSI. The stock pump doesn't produce that. The problem, I tried to install this, the Aeromotive. The lock ring does not allow me to put my AN fittings into the top housing, the top hat. So, searched around and found Boostwerks Engineering, and they make a kit that you can use the body of your stock pump. It replaces this upper portion. There. And it's a work of art. It's a beauty. Look at this. Very nice. Awesome machining, anodized, set up to run 2 pumps, as well as your fuel gauge. Our ports are on the top in the middle. When the lock ring goes down, I have plenty of room now for the AN fittings to connect. The stock pump is not going to do it. The actual pump won't do it. So, from Aeromotive, I got the same pump that's on the Phantom. It's the 340. I'll be replacing it in here and also running the Holley Hydromat. I've run these in the past and had a lot of luck with them. So that's where we're at. Going to be very interesting to see how this works. I think it's going to work great in combination with this, and that access panel is going to make these repairs and removals a breeze. All right, guys, we'll catch you on the next video.